Hello everyone. I am Justin James Ariel from Group Delta, and today I'm gonna discuss a summary about Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas, written by Antonio de Morga, annotated by Jose Rizal in the book entitled Jose Rizal's Life and Work. In the book, Rizal added notes to defend Filipinos from negative description made during the Spanish period. So I've made four important parts, or more like I've summarized four important parts from the book. So first, Rizal defended pre-colonial Filipinos. He argued that early Filipinos were already literate and educated, skilled in shipbuilding and metallurgy, organized in their own systems of government, capable of defending themselves, and he wanted to prove that Filipinos were already civilized before Spain arrived. Second, Rizal corrected biased views. When Morgan described Filipinos negatively, like their food, abilities, or culture, Rizal explained and defended Filipinos using logic and evidence. So third, um, Rizal, colonization caused decline. So Rizal suggested that Filipinos were disarmed by Spaniards, the trade with Asian neighbors weakened, and education declined under friar control. He implied that Spanish rule did not civilize Filipinos but instead limited their progress. And lastly, the fourth one, Rizal had a purpose. He was a propagandist, who wanted to awaken Filipino nationalism, fight racial discrimination, and restore pride in the Filipino identity. So the important lessons of the chapter or the book Successos de las Islas Filipinos is that think critically about historical sources. And education is powerful tool. Be proud of your culture and identity. And you can fight injustice peacefully through knowledge. And also, what I learned about the book, or the lesson I learned about the book, is that Rizal's annotation made me appreciate how brave and intelligent he was. Instead of staying silent, he challenged the negative views about Filipinos by using historical research. I think his purpose was not only to correct Morga's work about Filipinos, but also to awaken national pride among Filipinos during his time. What stood out to me the most is how Rizal used writing as a peaceful way to fight injustice. It shows that change can begin with ideas and education. The lesson encourages me to think critically, stand up for what is right, and never allow others to define my own worth or culture. And that is all, and thank you.